So I was just cleaning my room today, and it made me think of making this video because I realized something that I didn't before. So I really cleaned my room, and that's why it was dirty. It was like super bad. There was like pillows everywhere. But I was cleaning it, right? I didn't really have any music on. I was just kind of using the vacuum and picking stuff up. And it made me realize that I'm more like focused and like less distracted, which I guess that's what that means, but I'm like less distracted when I have less objects like around me, you know? So I had a bunch of pillows on the ground, there's a bunch of crumbs everywhere. But now that I don't have that stuff, I just feel like there's less like mental clog, you know what I'm saying? It's like it makes sense because if you see less things, there's not as much stuff to think about, I guess. I don't know how it works, you know what I'm saying? But it's just try it out, okay? A couple reasons. You look like a pig, like a pigsty if you don't clean up, and it probably smells a little weird too. Also, like I said, the focus thing, it helps you focus better. So just try this out, right? Just no music, no screens. Get away from the screens for like 20 minutes or however long it takes. And just clean up. Get everything all nice and organized. I got like, what are those? You can't even see them. Oh, wait. You see that thing in the corner? I got a bunch of blankets, that's what they're called. I put a bunch of blankets over there. Nothing on the floor, nothing on the table really except for what I need. So just try it out. Just no music. Just start cleaning your room up. And you'll be thankful for it because you'll be more focused. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. Praise God.